Okay, so we have a physics question that says, given that the half-life for Tholon is 52 seconds, how long will it take for the activity of Tholon to be reduced to 1 over 64 of its initial value? When they say half-life, this is the time taken for the half of the sample to decay. Now, let me try to explain more so that you fully understand here. When they say how long, it simply means we need to find the time. Now, the time for what? The time when this was formed. Now, 1 over 64 signifies this. 1 over 64, it comes from this. It comes from this. It comes from this. Comes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have seen? Now, these half you see here, they are the number of half-life which is representing 1 over 64. So if I say 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, it is 1. If I say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it is 64. Now remember that when you talk about half-life, it is a time taken for the half of the sample. So meaning that these are the half. In simple terms, this is also represented as this, like this. So 1 over 2 to the power 6. Okay, now this 6 is the number of half-life that were formed together. This we call it a fraction. Now the question is saying how long, meaning the time. We're supposed to use out the half-life. The formula for half-life, which is given by half-life is equal to time taken over the number of what? Half-life there. So half-life meaning now the initial starting point value. That's why they are saying 1 over what? 1 over 64 of simply means times. So 1 of its initial value. Initial value 52. So we say 52 it's equal to time taken, which is how long we don't know, over now number of half-life. How many were there? 6. So you put a 6 there like this. So now you cross multiply. So 1 times x, it is x. So 6 times 52 is going to give me 312 seconds, which is the answer.